So I'm Steve Sandvai, CEO, Glazing Rubber Products. I've had the company since its inception in 1988. You've got buildings out there that are 60 years old now. They go through a remodel, and the first thing they do is replace the gasket. Those manufacturers that made those gaskets 60 years ago aren't around anymore. The best thing that we can do is to get a sample or a print from the original and duplicate it.
Most orders that we're going to get are going to be something that we have in our existing 2,300 plus library of dies. If a customer needs something customized, Steve will make a print of it.
I digitize it, measure it, take the characteristics that I know that the parts need today, and come up with a new part. Most of our customers are mom and pop shops, and they go by what feels right. So if they see a print, they don't know how to really interpret that. So we try to get a sample to them of a finished part as soon as possible.
Once the customer approves the print, Steve will cut a die, and then we can extrude it all within just a couple of days. If it's a custom gasket they need, we can get them turned around within less than a week.
We actually did a customer design this morning, put it in, did a few adjustments, and we actually are running the product now. So it'll go out to them today.
The business runs itself because we got great people here that make it happen. We meet together a lot just to go over nuances of how the day's going. We just communicate on how something might run better.
If something happens in the plant, something is ran wrong, nobody just gets in trouble. It's, hey, this is what you did, this is what we need to do to correct it.
There's going to be problems always, but how you react and correct the problem is what makes the difference.
Steve and Marilyn, they're, generally care about our day-to-day lives, even outside of here.
Everybody just gets along so well. Really do, and I know a lot of companies might say that, but we actually really do.
We found that if you keep a family atmosphere with your customers and suppliers, that it builds a dynamic that normal business doesn't have.
Other places can talk the talk of family being first. They live it and they walk it.
They all have a heart for success of the company because they're involved, they're invested. And I think that's probably the best legacy that we have here.